Robert, hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Such an honor to meet you, Your Royal Highness.
You too, Robert. I gather you've been doing a hell of a
Thank
lot of
you.
work, not only environmental but conservation work, but also on the Earthshot. So I really appreciate all your support.
Oh, absolutely. No, we're our whole family are in awe of everything that you're doing with conservation. We're definitely very, very passionate about it, and it's wonderful to see something like Earthshot that's shining such a positive light on what we can do for the environment. So what was your drive to start this?
I felt that a bit of optimism and hope is what we needed. Showing people that there are solutions and there is a way forwards is what was going to be needed. And so that's how the Earthshot Prize sort of spun out from that.
I absolutely love that point of view with it as well, because, you know, climate change is such a huge, multifaceted thing. But you're right, if we can look to the future, look to this hope and say, you know, there are people that are doing the right thing, and there is definitely a huge hope for all of us. That's why I'm incredibly excited to be a small part of it. Do you feel right now something like Earthshot is more important than ever?
I think these next 10 years are really crucial. If we get to 2030 and we haven't made some serious inroads into dealing with climate change, then we're at that tipping point where some of these changes are irreversible and will never come back. I'm optimistic. I think we can rise to it. I think we can do it, but it is got to start now, and it's got to come together quick. And Rob, what's your sort of key passion, you know, within the conservation and environmental world?
I'm passionate about all wildlife, but crocodiles have always been my main passion, actually. But also photography is one of my big passions, and I try to inspire people through my photos as well. So I love being behind the lens. I'm probably even more comfortable behind there.
I'm keen because obviously I was a big fan of your dad's, and I'm so sorry he's not around.
Oh, thanks.
Anymore. But it's not surprised that you're a fan of crocodiles as well. But the family trait has continued into the next generation, I'm sure. But,
yes, it's in my DNA.
Yeah, exactly. He'd be very proud of you, Robert, and what you've sort of continued.
Thank you.
And clearly
thank you very much.
Passion is only second to his, frankly, in terms of how much you guys have been heavily involved in this area. So well done. I'm
really glad that I get to hopefully inspire my generation and my fellow younger Australians to really kind of ignite and start that spark of passion. Can't wait to watch your new series and everything coming out as well. And of course the awards coming up is so exciting. I'll be there watching on the live. I can't wait to see everything being announced. That'll be wonderful. Of
course, it's going to be on Discovery Plus, which is fantastic. So
yes,
as everyone gets a chance to watch it, it'd be great to pass it around the world. Good. Well, Robert, listen, best wishes to you and your family, and really lovely to chat. And I hope you enjoy the Earthshot ceremony.
It's been an honor to talk to you. Thank you very much.